let's get into this beautiful bagel sausage egg surprise. So I like to cut it in two, and then you can see how nice and juicy the egg is. And I'm not yolking. There's a lot of juice. This is going to be excellent. So this is how you want to eat it, with your hands. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you guys and gals how to make a super simple snack idea. And the main star of this recipe are sesame topped bagels. And it's so simple, so easy. So let's get onto the counter and I'll show you all the ingredients and how simple this recipe is to put together. Okay, here are all the simple ingredients. So we have 3 breakfast sausages, and you'll need 1 sausage per bagel. And as I said, we're using sesame seed top bagels, and Palm is not my sponsor, but I really like this brand because the hole in the top of it is large, and you'll see why that's important later on when we're putting it together. We have fresh eggs, and I'm using marble cheese, but you could use whatever cheese you prefer, an old cheddar. The choice is yours. And we're going to shred that up with my shredder, and we're going to use about ½ cup. Okay, to start with, we have our sausage, and how I prefer to do it is just get a very sharp knife and make a little slit into the sausage, and so we can get the middle of it out hopefully easier. And it looks like this one is not going to cooperate. So basically you want to get the outer skin off the sausage and just spread it around the outside. So we're getting a bit more skin off. Perfect. Oh. So you want to spread that all around on the top side of our bagel, like so. And that's it. So let me just take this away. So let me go wash my hands, and we'll continue cooking this. Okay, we're going to put our bagel into a pan that's cold right now, and I have it on a medium-high temperature to start with, and we're just going to let that slowly heat up and cook through for a few minutes, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so it's been cooking here for a couple minutes, and it was starting to stick, and I was counting on there would be more fat in the sausage, so I had to put some cooking spray on to the frying pan so it wouldn't stick, and I'm giving just a little bit of pressure to the top, and I want to make sure that it doesn't stick completely. So while that's happening, and now I'm going to turn down the heat to a low, and we're going to take 1 large egg, and we're going to put that into the middle. And if it spills over the edge of it, that's fine too. And we're going to let that cook for a couple minutes. Okay, well, it's been cooking for a couple minutes, and I'm going to add just a little bit. That's probably like a tablespoon worth of water, and we're going to put a lid on it. And the hot water is going to help soften up the bagel and partially cook the egg until we flip it later on. So we're going to keep that on cooking for a couple minutes, keeping an eye on it and see how it's progressing. Okay, while the egg continues to cook, beside me here on low, I'm going to shred about ½ cup of marble cheddar cheese. But you could use whatever kind of cheese you like. If you prefer old cheddar or medium cheddar or white cheddar, whatever you prefer. And that's about a ½ cup or so right now. Let's do a little bit more. And when it comes to something like this, and so delicious, I'm not going to take a measuring cup out. I'm just going to eyeball it. And to me, that's about ½ cup. So let's leave it like that. And now let's put this on our bagel. Okay, that's been cooking for a few minutes. And what we're going to do is take half the cheese and plug the hole. And if some of the cheese falls off onto the frying pan, that's fine. And just kind of like pack it in lightly. And just leave that like that for a minute or so. Or less. And then let's give it a flip. Oh, nice. But not to worry. We're going to be putting more cheese on top here. So we'll leave that like that for a few minutes on low, put the cover back on, and we'll see how it's progressing. Okay, I've changed the lid because this one has a curvature to it, whereas the other one didn't, and it would have been touching the top of my cheese. So let's put that on like so. And then we're going to leave that on for a couple of minutes and wait for the cheese to melt. Okay, how I like to serve this is with ketchup, and I was trying to go for a happy face here, and I mucked it up. Give it for the eyes. You can also do a heart, and then we're going to take our bagel that's cooked perfectly, and let's throw this part, some extra egg on the side. I am not going to waste a thing. And now let's get into this beautiful snack while it's good and hot. Okay, let's get into this beautiful bagel sausage egg surprise. So I like to cut it in two, and then you can see how nice and juicy the egg is. And I'm not yolking. There's a lot of juice. This is going to be excellent. So this is how you want to eat it, with your hands. The sausage is well cooked, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, let's get into this nice snack of mine. Dip it in a bit of ketchup. Wow, that is like excellent. Cheese with ketchup and breakfast sausage, and the cheddar cheese is like perfect. So give this a try today, and it's finger looking good. So give this a try today. Give me a thumbs up, would be appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't. And I want to thank all the recent subscribers. I really appreciate your subscribing and watching my channel on a regular basis. So till the next one, take care. Bye now.